Hey, Matt the Mortgage Guy here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to remove a mechanics lien in California. So, like most videos on my channel, I've gotten questions from clients. I've had clients go through some stuff that was not so pleasant. And in turn, I'm learning, digging in, trying to help them figure out how do we fix this. And so in the latest rendition of things my clients have been through, we're going to talk about mechanics liens, what they are, how you get them removed. So without further ado, first and foremost, I think it makes sense in this video. If you got here, you probably know what mechanics lien is, but if you don't, mechanics lien is something that somebody files as a lien on your property, and it creates a cloud on title. And when you say lien, let's say that somebody came and did some roofing work at your house, there was some dispute, they said they didn't get paid, they could go file a mechanics lien and say, hey, this property owner owes me $8,000 for some roof repair I did. And that lien that they've filed puts a cloud on your title, which means you can't refinance, you can't sell. As the property owner, you're in a really bad spot. And so a couple examples of where this might happen. In that case, roofer did some work, there was a dispute. I've got a client that's similar. There was work done. The property owner felt ripped off. The person didn't do what they promised, so there wasn't payment made. And then that lien was filed. That one actually went to small claims court. Even though the property owner won in small claims court, the mechanics lien is still on the house. And there's many cases I've heard where, let's say you want to get your driveway paved. You talk to a contractor, okay, it's going to be $5,500. You peel off $5,500, pay it to the contractor. Okay, my subcontractor concrete guy is going to come out, he's going to pour it on Saturday. Subcontractor comes out Saturday, pours the driveway, it's beautiful, and says, okay, homeowner, you owe me $5,500. Oh no, I paid, or whatever the amount is, right? He might be getting paid $4,500 as the subcontractor. I paid Johnny, the general contractor. If general contractor doesn't pay subcontractor's coming after you for that payment, and they can and will file a mechanics lien. So if you're in the position now that you have the mechanics lien and you want to figure out, how do I get this off? This is what I know about California. In other states, I don't know if it works similarly, but here's how it works in California. You've got two options. You can either go back to the contractor who filed the mechanics lien and have them remove it. Highly unlikely. In most of these cases, there's some dispute, and that's just not something that will get done very often. Or you file a petition with the court to remove it. It's like section 8480 or something is the specific civil code that you file that under. But before you file that petition to have it removed, which you'll most likely have to do since the contractor's not going to do it themselves, you have to give the contractor 10 days notice to remove it. So some form or fashion, hey, I'd like you to remove this mechanics lien, and giving you notice that I'm going to petition to have it removed. And then if they don't do it in 10 days, then you can go ahead and file that petition to have it removed. So if you're in this unfortunate circumstance, I'm sorry. The good news is that I think usually these things can get resolved within 30 or 45 days, and then you can come back to me and refinance your loan, and you'll be in good shape. So hopefully this video is helpful. If you like informative videos on mortgage, real estate, a little bit of real estate investing sprinkled in here and there, then think about subscribing to the channel. As you can see in the background, we've got the like button. That's just subliminal, like this video. We're gonna see if this video versus other videos gets more likes because of that subliminal message going on back there. Thanks for watching.